National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County in south-central Illinois, Union County, Illinois, Jackson County, Illinois, Bollinger County, Missouri, Perry County, Missouri, Eastern Wayne County, Missouri, Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, until 7 p.m. At 6:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Womack to Marquand to Hendrickson, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Millersville and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. New Calling, Gordonville, Shook, and Ware. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 93 and 139. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Bollinger, Cape Girardeau, Perry, and Wayne, and the following counties: in Illinois, Jackson, Perry, and Union. 93 and 139. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7
Now for the official following counties: in Missouri, Bollinger, Cape Girardeau, Perry, and Wayne, and the following counties: in Illinois, Jackson, Perry, and Union.